Hello children, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn about basic concepts of probability. जब हम टीवी देख रहे होते हैं और उसमें कोई मैच चल रहा होता है, जैसे क्रिकेट, हॉकी या कोई और, तो किसी टीम की परफॉर्मेंस देखकर हम एक अंदाज़ लगाते हैं कि टीम ए और टीम बी will win today, or there is a possibility of winning a team A, or probably the team A will win. कोई टीचर बच्चों की परफॉर्मेंस देखकर कहता है probably these children will be selected for admission in IIT. कभी हम मौसम का हाल देखते हैं और अंदाज़ लगाते हैं probably it will rain today. तो इन सब घटनाओं एग्जाम्पल्स में श्योरिटी नहीं दिखती है, अनसर्टेनिटी दिखती है. दिस अनसर्टेनिटी और अनिश्चितता जिसको हम कहते हैं, इट कैन बी मेजर्ड न्यूमेरिकली एंड मैथमेटिकल representation of this uncertainty is called probability. Between 16th and 17th century, means approximately 500 years before, the probability was started with game of gambling, and later on it was developed and used in the field of medical science, physical science or biological science. Before we start proper definition of probability, let us discuss about few terms used in it. So first term we use is a die. Die is a 6 faces cubical form. On each face, numbers from 1 to 6 are written. The word we use a die, D-I-E, it is singular. And DICE, dice, is its plural form. Second one is trial. Trial is an action which results in one or several outcomes. For example, if we toss a coin, either head or tail will come. If we roll a die, any number from 1 to 6 can come. If we draw a playing card from a deck of 52 playing cards, any one cards might come. So, all these experiments or actions are called trial. Next is outcome. An outcome is the all possible results after a trial or an experiment. If a coin is tossed, outcomes are head or tail. If die is rolled, outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. Next is event. An event is a one single outcome after a trial or an experiment. Suppose if we toss a coin, single outcome is head, then this is an event. If we roll a die, single outcome, suppose an even number, 2 or 4 or 6, this is an event. If we draw a playing card from a deck of 52 cards and we get a playing card, King of Diamond, this is an event. Next is different types of events. Number 1, impossible event. Impossible event. Impossible event means the event which is not practically possible. For example, getting a number greater than 6 when a die is rolled is an impossible event. Getting head and tail simultaneously when a coin is tossed is an impossible event, and probability of impossible event is 0. So, probability of impossible event is always 0. Number 2, sure or certain event. Sure or certain event means the event which is always possible. For example, getting any number from 1 to 6 when a die is rolled is an example of sure event. Similarly, getting head or tail when a coin is tossed is also an example of sure event. And the probability of sure event is always 1. Probability of sure event is always 1. So, if E is an event, then probability of any event lies between 0 to 1. Means when impossible event, the probability is 0. When sure event, the probability is 1. And the probability of other events lies between 0 and 1. Now, empirical probability. This probability is based on experiments and observations. Formula for empirical probability is number of trials in which the events happened divided by total number of trials. So this is the formula we are going to use for finding empirical probability. Let us take an example. A die is thrown 1000 times. Frequencies of outcomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are given in this table. Outcome 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and frequencies are there. Frequency means when a die is thrown 1000 times, 1 turn up 179 times, 2 turn up 150 times, 3 turn up 157 times and so on. So let E1, E2, E3, E4, E5, E6 are frequencies of events getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what is PE1? Means the definition of empirical probability is number of trials in which experiment is performed. Number of trials. Trials है 1 का केस लिया है तो 179 performed. So you can say this is frequency of 1. Frequency of getting 1. And number of times experiment is performed means number of times die is rolled. So frequency of 1 is 179 and die is rolled is 1000. So this is 0.179. Similarly, PE2, we will write directly 2 की frequency है 150 divided by 1000, so 0.150. Similarly, PE3 157 upon 1000, 0.157. When we add all these probabilities, the sum will be 1. It means, it is clear from here, the sum of all the probabilities is equal to 1 thing. And secondly, we can say the probability of any event is always less than 1. Question number 2. 1500 families with 2 children were selected randomly. The following data were recorded. Number of girls in a family 2, 1, 0. And number of families 475, 814, 211. Compute empirical probability of a family chosen at random having 2 girls, 1 girl, no girl. 0 means no girl. So solution. Let E1 is the event number of families having 2 girls. E2 is the event number of families having 1 girl. And E3 is the event number of families having no girl or 0 girl. So empirical probability PE is equal to, we know that number of times event occurred, total number of times experiment performed. So PE1, probability of number of families having 2 girls, is equal to number of families having 2 girls divided by total number of families. So number of families having 2 girls is equal to 475 divided by 1500. Total number of families 1500. Similarly, PE2. E2 is number of families having 1 girl. So number of families having 1 girl are 814 divided by total number of families 1500. PE3, probability of event E3, number of families having no girl are 211 divided by 1500. Now sum of probabilities PE1 plus PE2 plus PE3, this is equal to 475 upon 1500 plus 814 upon 1500 plus 211 upon 1500. This is equal to 475 plus 814 plus 211 divided by 1500 or 1500 upon 1500. So this is equal to 1. Question number 3. The following table shows the blood group of 40 students of a class. Blood group A, B, O, AB. And number of students 11, 9, 14 and 6. One student is chosen at random. What is the probability of chosen students blood group is O or AB? So solution में हमने क्या किया? E1 is the event selected students blood group is O and E2 selected students blood group is AB. तो PE1 क्या होगा? According to the formula, number of trials in which experiment is performed. So E1 selected students blood group is O. O में कितने students हैं? 14. and total number of students 40. So divided by 40. And what is PE2? PE2 means selected student blood group is AB. AB में कितने students हैं? 6. Total number of students 40. So this is the solution of this question. Next question. A coin is tossed 500 times. We get head 285 times and tail 215 times. Find the probabilities of getting head and tail. So let E1 is the event of getting head and E2 is the event getting tail. So what is PE1? According to this formula, number of head getting head, number of times. So what is PE1? Number of times getting head divided by total number of trials. Total number of trials. So this is equal to number of times getting head 285 divided by 500. And what is PE2? 215 divided by 500. And P1 plus P2, this will be 285 upon 500 plus 215 upon 500. So this is 500 upon 500.